I'm Paulo Corteron.
And I'm Abby Luistra, and today we're in Vans to interview Mr. Paul Jonas. So, Mr. Paul Jonas is a graduate of La Salle University. He graduated last 2012 and took up BS Marketing Management. He was also an officer of the Junior Entrepreneurs Marketing Association for 2 years.
Well, yung yung core values dapat, yung meron yung, masala students, yung religiyo, mores, kultura. Bale, meron ka dapat love for religion, respect for morals, and syempre, parang tribute sa culture mo. So, of course, kasi medyo fresh grad pa lang ako. So, after 4 years of being a Lasallian, I can say na sobrang nag-grinding sa akin yung core values na yun. Una yung religion, syempre tinuruan ako ng DLSU na to respect, syempre Catholic Church. Parang every week, pumunta kami sa Mass, ko-confess. So, every time na may holiday of obligation, pupunta kami. Ayun, tapos yung moral, tinuruan kami na Lasal na to be honest, honest in everything. In work, wag mong cheat, wag maging corrupt, mga ganun. Hanggang ngayon, isusunod pa rin namin. Kasi yung culture, of course, kahit nasa kami mapunta, kahit sa ibang bansa, never namin makakalimutan yung pagiging Filipino namin. And, sa tingin ko kahit tagal na ang graduate, hindi pa rin matatanggal sa amin yung ganong values. Leadership. What is leadership? For me, hindi lang to basta yung inutusan mo yung mga tao to achieve a common goal. For me, leadership is more than that. Parang bringing out the best in every one of your subordinate. Parang ilabas mo lahat ng potential nila to achieve your common goal. Maraming qualities for a leader, pero for me, yung pinaka-important, puta nagkakamatol likod. Alright, maraming skills na kailangan for a leader, pero for me, yung pinaka-important is yung people skills. Kasi yun yung kailangan mo kasing intindihin yung mga subordinate mo. Kailangan mo makita yung potentials nila. At kailangan alam mo rin kung paano mo ilalabas yung potentials nila. Alam mo kung paano sila, kunwari tinatamad sila. Alam mo kung paano sila pagalawin. Alam mo yung tamang incentives for them. Ayun, people skills nga. So, how do I show people skills? Well, for me, step by step yun eh. Una, get to know muna. Parang small bonding with the group. Parang hindi lang kami magkasama sa office hours, minsan after office hours, counting bonding para malaman ko ano yung ugali nila, ano yung mga gusto nila, ano yung mga ayaw nila, ano yung mga kaya nilang gawin. Then after that, makakagawa na ako ng strategies para pakisamahan sila. Yung I consider myself as a religious person. Hindi lang kasi lagi ako nagsisimba, lagi akong present sa mga church activities. Pero kasi, I'm a religious person kasi every time nagpipray talaga ako kay Lord. Parang, kunwari may problem, kunwari may gusto kong pasalamatan, every time talaga nagpapasalamat kay Lord. And of course, naniniwala ako sa Kanya na lahat ng ginagawa ko dahil sa Kanya, dahil sa will niya. And for the betterment of the world. Corporate social responsibility, I believe, yes. Pero Well, meron kami mga shore cleanup. Yun yung mga basic. Pero yung pinaka-consider ko na CSR namin is yung skate parks. Kasi, main market namin is skaters. And sa Philippines, hindi pa ganun ka-accepted yung skateboarding. Parang yung mga skaters natin, kung saan saan na nag-skate, kunwari sa park, or sa anything na free space. And kadalasan is, hinuhuli sila ng mga guard kahit wala naman silang kasalanan. So for us, yung CSR namin is binibigyan namin sila ng place to skate, place to enjoy, place to express themselves. Pero yun nga, I volunteer myself. My time, syempre my energy. For us, for bands, yung shore, never pa ako naging outland. Pero yung, especially for skate parks, ako yung umahanap ng magandang skate spots for them. Yung alam kong pang matagalan, safe sa kanila, and yung may enjoy nila yung natural na feel ng lugar.